In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone not letting you delete apps. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So if you can't see the remove app button or is completely missing, or the screen freezes when you try, it's almost caused by a hidden restriction toggle in screen time or an app organization bug. So what you want to do firstly is go over to your settings application, then scroll down until you find screen time. So go ahead and click on it. Now, what I want to do is go ahead and scroll down again, and I'm going to see content and privacy restrictions. So if this is toggled off completely, then just skip this. But if it's toggled on, go ahead and toggle this off. And if you can't toggle it off entirely, then go over to iTunes and App Store purchases. So all you want to do is just go to apps, installations, and purchases. Then once you're here, go over to the deleting apps and switch it from, don't allow, and switch it to allow. So it's right there, and just put it to allow, and then that should definitely work. And if it doesn't, then what you want to do is go back all the way and then go over to the very top where it says general, then iPhone storage, and then find whichever app you're trying to delete. Go ahead and click on it and then try to delete the app from here, and it should work. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.